Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na method-based access control can be circumvented. So this lab implements access controls based partly on the HTTP method of requests. You can familiarize yourself with the admin panel by logging in using administrator admin. To solve the lab, log in using the credentials winner and Peter and exploit the flawed access control to promote yourself to become an administrator. So let's access the lab and again, familiarize natin yung sarili natin with the admin panel using these credentials, no? So, login tayo. Administrator admin. And we can see na we have access the admin panel and sa admin panel, pwede ka mag-upgrade ng user, no? To, let's say, Carlos, gagawin mo siyang, let's say, admin. So, we can click upgrade user and naging admin na siya, no? And let's see kung ano itsura ng request na to, no? So, let's go to the history and get the post admin roles, no? So, we can see here na meron tayong /post admin roles and na-upgrade natin yung username na Carlos to an admin, no? So now, let's try to do this using the low privileged account, no? So log out tayo. And ngayon login tayo as winner. Winner Peter. And ayan, no? So ngayon wala tayong kahit anong admin panel access. Di ba? So ang pwede natin gawin is let's try to use this request para makapag-upgrade tayo ng account, no? So copy natin to and get a request with the session ni winner. So I'll put this into the repeater and let's paste yung ating initial na request. Pero gamitin natin yung session ni winner. And if we try and do this, send, sabi sa atin unauthorized, no? And try natin to kay winner, unauthorized pa rin. So what we can do, we can try and change yung post, gawin natin get. So we can do that by right-clicking, change request method, and let's try again. And as you can see, naging 302 found. So, nung pinalitan natin from post to get, gumana yung request. So, hindi niya bine-verify kung anong klaseng method yung ginamit na request, no? So, if we now look at the lab, we have solved it. Kasi na-upgrade na natin yung account ni winner into an admin. And if we refresh the page, makikita natin yung admin panel. Okay? So, I hope na-gets nyo tong video na to and see you in the next video.